front and rear angle grinding machine.
Completed electric control. No need pneumatic or hydraulic. Don't need connect air or hydraulic oil. Automatic wheel setting function. Saw blades of the same specification only need to be aligned on one side, saving a lot of blade adjustment time. A workpiece diameter from 100 to 800 mm. CNC controlled axis for accurate grinding. Grinding of virtually all tooth geometries in one cycle. Electrically adjust the centripetal angle while adjusting the left and right simultaneously. The design of the vacuum device can reduce the damage to equipment components after grinding fluid water atomization. Adopting electric adjustment of the central hole of the saw blade. The operation is convenient and fast. The spindle is designed independently, and after assembly, after 72 hours of testing, it meets the technical parameters required by the design before installation. The overall design of the frame ensures better stability of the equipment. The human-machine interface adopts LCD, with clear graphics and high-touch sensitivity. PLC has fast running speed, self-developed programs, convenient operation, and easy to understand. Linear guide rail, X-axis, L-axis, Z-axis, using Highwind linear guide rail. High-precision grinding screw.
Looking forward to your consultation.